Got him? You get him in? No, that's a turtle. You gonna be able to take that thing off? That's a soft-shelled turtle. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do this without getting bit. Basically need to get a stick or something I can kind of pry it away. There you go. Bye-bye, turtle. So definitely a mussel right here that is about to be out of the water. So I'm just gonna grab it and get a little deeper in there so it can survive.
Do they even have feelings?
Fish don't have any feelings. It's a Nirvana song. It's a song. Nirvana sang it.
Who's Nirvana?
Oh man. Kurt Cobain, you know? Oh boy. I have to teach you a lot.
I need to wash this off.
You wash your fish?
No.
Oh yeah, it is kind of muddy. Yikes.
Oh.
Sorry, buddy. This is kind of a big, just a small piercing right there above the. That's fine.
They don't even
It'll be
feel
fine.
it.
It'll be fine.
They just
Fish don't
it.
have any feelings. Oh, guy. Yeah, pretty good eating.
Oh, it has.
Got him? You get him in the boat. Oh, he's not too little. Just get him in the boat. There you go. Wait, can you unhook him?
Actually, I think I can. Have you even found gold?
I got one little one little sunfish in there already. Only been there about 5 minutes, but must be a decent spot. Oh. That's actually pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah.
You lying? You like it?
Yeah.
Texas? I guess it kind of does.
I forgot.
There's the little,
Looks like.
there's a little square at the top and the point. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it looks like Texas, kind of.
You're lying.
No, it kind of does.
It looks like a.
I mean,
Yeah.
for a rock, it looks pretty close to like Texas.
Is this?
Now, that looks like Illinois now.
Oh, I thought I was about to say Louisiana. No, wait. Louisiana looks like a train.
Something. I don't know. I think you're crazy.
I put it back.
Let's get it cleaned off.
We can eat it?
Yeah, if you want. Sweet. Get the stretcher. I mean, you're gonna get the, yep,
This?
yep. We'll get it on the stringer. First of many, hopefully.
It keeps moving like that. No. Oh, I thought maybe I escaped and I was like, no.
Okay, so I don't want to get all hippy-dippy and everything, but so we're putting our paddles away underneath of this structure here, and check this out. So these are some type of like mud wasp that, you know, makes their nest out of mud, and I know they're super obnoxious and all that because they, you know, put mud everywhere, and there's one flying up above me here, but look at this building, like this architecture. They have like these in a row, and they've like just lined it up so nice and straight, and it's just, I don't know, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, ready to fry them up
Mm-hmm.
and eat them, or do you want to make sushi out of them?
I don't know.
No? Okay. Yeah, they do kind of look like coin tubes.
Things that you order fruit.
Yeah, like the old drive-in movie or whatever, drive-in diners.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? They just, these little insects, they line this stuff up and they make these perfect round tubes. I mean, they're not like they're carrying around little rulers and levels and like straight lines. They're just guessing. I think it's pretty cool for something with, you know, tiny little brain and